Good morning on Father's Day, Sunday the 21st of June, and breakfast this morning is my healthy extra brie, and that is my wholemeal pita, and that has got ham, which is free, a cheese slice, which is 2.5 cents, tomatoes, which are speed, and a frankfurter sausage, which is also 2.5 cents, so 5 cents for breakfast this morning. And I was lucky enough to have it brought to me by Megan because Jeff was having his. For dinner today, I have got roast potatoes, which are free, chicken, which is free, peas, which are free, a Yorkshire pudding, which is 2.5 cents, and gravy, which is 3 cents, so 5.5 cents for dinner today. Again, my dinner was cooked by my lovely daughter, so that's why there's not a lot of speed on there, but it was absolutely delicious, and who am I to complain? So this time, this amazing platter is all mine. I have got 30 grams of cheddar, which is my healthy extra A. I have had to remove 2 Ritz biscuits because I recalculated my sins for today, and that's the beauty of a food diary. So I have got also 4 sins for the Ritz biscuits. The Wednesday day with cranberry is 25 grams for 4.5 sins. So 8.5 sins for this whole platter. So this would have been me ending today on 19 sins. However, I did share this lovely platter with my lovely husband, which means that I didn't consume all 8.5 sins myself. So what I'm going to say is that I had 5 sins of it just to be on the safe side, even though we probably had half each, which means I'm ending today on 15.5 sins. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one.